Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app, and now you want to check on your follower and just go ahead and search for their username here. And if you cannot see their username, it means that they unfollowed you. Okay? So now the next step that you can do is to exit on your Instagram, open your App Store or your Play Store, and install this app. Okay? The Follow Meter for Instagram. So this app is available for Android and for iOS. Okay? So just go ahead and download this, and you just need to log in your Instagram account, and there's this unfollow section. Once you log in your account here, and once you click on that section, you should see who unfollowed you on Instagram. So that's it. That is how you see your who unfollowed you on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.